I don't know if, okay, yeah, it's recording. How's it going, Ding Dongs? We're back at the Tyler's place. We got a little noise coming out of this thing, so we're gonna just do a little bit of stuff. Dom, we're gonna need you to man the brake clean. Okay, ready? Hell yeah. Dom, keep spraying brake clean.
Just a little bit, not too crazy.
Just like little spritzes every now and then. It's just to keep it running. Keep going, more. Keep going, more. You gotta keep spraying more. When it starts, once it starts, you gotta keep spraying more. Dude, that sounds so good.
Oh, man.
3 years later, dude.
That is so satisfying to hear that.
Oh, man.
Oh, my God.
So all we had to do was give coil power right here, 12 volts. Now we got to figure out where this wire comes out, because you can see it's just looped. But once we find out where it's supposed to be, all you need is these 3 wires, these 2 wires, and run those 12 volts and it'll start right up. Hell yeah.
Simple enough.
Yeah.
I just couldn't. I'm not smart enough with wires to figure it out.
It's all right. Figured it out. We'll come back some other time, get it fully wired up, wire it into like the OEM plugs and stuff, so it's nice and clean. You don't have to worry about alligator clips holding your ignition wires in. But Dom and I are packed up in his Gameobile. We're gonna go drifting. See you there. All right, ding dongs. You can see we're at the track. And honestly, it's too hot. It is, I think it's like 93 right now. I don't know if you can tell by my hair, but I just went and sprayed myself with the hose, try to cool off, because I got super dizzy after the first like 2 runs. Just sat in Dom's car in the AC for like an hour. Dom had to go, so I'm here alone now. But I'm feeling better now. I'm cooled off, car's cooled off, so I'm gonna head back out there, get some clips, maybe do some ride-alongs with people because they're paying 20 bucks a ride-along. Maybe get some free tires with this, so let's do it. How's it going?
Yeah.
You been in a drift car?
Huh?
You ever been in a drift car? No?
First time.
First time? You excited? Scared? Yeah? How was that? Hell yeah, man. Glad you liked it.
Bro,
good job, man. How's it going?
What's going on?
You ever been in a drift car?
I just went on one of the other ones. This is my second time.
Okay. Yeah, put your seatbelt on before we go.
What kind of car is this?
Huh?
What kind of car is this?
SC400 Lexus. ding dongs, even with the splitter, the inevitable has happened. The track is lackluster in picking up cones, and I claimed one. Took a nice big chunk, probably the bottom part of the cone hit this part, and just chunked it right off, and the mount broke. You hear that? The whole bumper broke off its mount right here. So that's chooched. It's still staying on though, so it's fine, but that freaking sucks ass. That's all right though. I'll 3D scan this area, print a new piece, and then I'll probably put some fiberglass over it because, yeah, you need fiberglass on both sides. I thought I could get away with just the backside, but it's just not strong enough, so I'm gonna put some fiberglass on the front of it as well, redo the bodywork, and get back out there. Or I'll just make the mold and make it out of carbon Kevlar sooner rather than later. Maybe that's what I'll do on the first thing, and then I'll do the wide body later, or maybe together. I don't know. I don't make these decisions. But yeah, besides that, car's doing great. Everything's holding up fine. Car's driving great. First couple runs were a little wonky because first I had too much tire pressure, then I had not enough tire pressure. Now the tire pressure is just right, so the transitions aren't so wobbly, and it's got plenty of grip. We're sending it. Doing a couple ride-alongs because they pay you here. You get 20 bucks per ride-along, which is sick, so maybe get a free set of tires from some ride-alongs. I'm gonna drill some holes and throw some zip ties on the bumper, on the mount, so that it doesn't fall off more. So I don't want it to break. Check this out. Someone just brought this to me. I found a friggin' piece of the bumper. Mint. Good as new. Throw some super glue on there. A little bit of Bondo. Good to go.
It still works.
Sick. Let's try it. I got some tape too. Oh, it's the thick stuff. Even better, yeah.
Do you guys maybe want that?
Freaking mint, bro.
Little Bondo and
Little Bondo, a little fiberglass.
you'll never know it was there.
Exactly. Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
No more latency issues.
No, dude, it's freaking mint now. That's all it was, just the bushings.
The bushings were shot.
Completely.
Well, yeah, there's probably about an 1/8" give on each side.
Yeah. I just posted the video today.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I'll watch it when I get back.
Yeah, it was the like metal sleeve inside the bushing was like 1/8 of an inch too small. There we go, dude. No one will ever know. All right, so while this is drying and taped up, it's probably not gonna hold, but whatever. At least I have the piece, I can fix it now. And this should all come out with clay bar or whatever. I'm gonna give it a little polish. So while that's drying or whatever, let's go check out the car show. And I gotta get some water and hose myself down because at least it's cooling off a little bit. But I gotta refill my water. Oh, never mind. Looks like people are already leaving the car show. It's pretty empty already. Oh well. Ooh, that is sick. Love me an RCF. So fucking sick. God damn. I think this was at Tuner Evo. This one's for Dom, because he's a WRX guy now. That's cool. Those wheels are probably worth a lot. This is sick. This gives me ideas. That's cool design. Just do something like that. Man, the FRS's, BRZs, whatever. Freaking kits are crazy on these things. These fenders look like mine. Holy shit, that bumper is insane.
All right, come on, start driving through it. This guy went to the skate park and picked up every white kid he found. Yeah, watch out for the big ass nose of yours, my dad.
Yo, what is this thing? Holy shit.
Don't be like him.
This shit's amazing.
Trailing it because you can't even drive it at night.
What
There we
the
go. Now we got some cars going. You're going to need some cat homies, bro.
fucking amazing?
two, 4 guys that weigh 170 ain't cutting it.
That's insane. Yo, Gingium, what do you think of this look?
Speak over there.
You want to go hard?
No, let's read it real quick.
Wonder what's in it. Hell yeah, dude. That is so sick. It's kind of interior I want to do. Just like minimalistic. Yeah. Except I'm going to do all carbon. Where do you even get that many friends? Alright, I like this just because it's yellow. That looks sick. I've never seen actually yellow Golf. Well, I think we know what's going to win the low car limbo. Jesus Christ, how big are those freaking wheels? What the fuck? Got the plywood special. Look at this guy. Straight from Japan, bro. What does that say? Yep. Damn, this thing is mint. Holy crap. That is immaculate. Jeez, look how straight the body is. Just polish those headlights and this thing is freaking gold. Damn. That's sick. I love 4i Celicas or whatever the hell they're called. I love these things so much, I want one. Alright, well that's it for the car show. Because everyone left. Yes, I drink hose water. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cold. Oh, that feels so good. Oh shit, my mic. I didn't think about my mic. Hopefully it still works. Does it still work? Still says it's working, all right. Hey, I'll go behind you.
I don't know, man.
No?
I'm kind of not that guy. I wouldn't. Don't do it. Please don't.
All right.
Solid ass left.
Hell yeah, dude.
Good shit, dude.
Fuck track is so fun. Oh.
Fuck yeah.
That is so much fun.
Yeah, good stuff.
How was that?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Dude, this thing's crazy.
Thanks,
I
man.
love the yellow. Like, yeah, the yellow.
I put your Instacam on your seat so you know.
Okay, thanks,
Yeah,
man.
no worries.
All right, well, that's gonna be the end of this video, ding dongs. The bumper did not survive. I got it zip tied up right now just because so it doesn't break or fall off or something, it doesn't bend. We'll be back, maybe reinforce it a little bit. Celeron 651s did great as always. No chipping, no nothing. They last freaking forever. Could probably drive home on these, but they're not balanced. So I'm gonna put my 285s back on, but yeah, Nimbus did great. No issues whatsoever. Absolutely perfect. Steering is fixed. Oh yeah, I didn't mention the lip, or the splitter, vibrates like crazy at 75 miles an hour. The whole thing just starts flopping and like crazy. It's pretty bad. So I gotta get some of those like little splitter rod thingies to attach it in the front. And then right here, it's super loose. I need to expand the mounts. Thank you so much for watching, ding dongs. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out, ding dongs. Stay sweet.
America, America.
Do you have your past?